Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our Dodge Grand Caravan, and this, like most of our vehicles, is a wheelchair and mobility accessible van. I'll get right to the conversion. This is an AMS conversion. It's got a manual sliding door. Slides right open, very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. And then we've got our little controller here. We've got to get this turned on. See the red lights on, and then we hold the out button. This will bring the ramp out, just like so. Wheel your wheelchair right up inside, a 30-inch wide ramp. You can see it's got this neat little extra seat here, so you can actually get 3 in the back, 1 on the side, 2 up front, so you can get 6, plus a wheelchair here. It's got the tie-down points. We give a free set of ratcheting tie-downs away with each van. If you'd like to get it, our upgraded Q strengths, talk to us about those. The back seats are in very good condition. Look like they've hardly ever been sat in. Headliner's in great shape. You see it's got the rear air. It's got a removable passenger seat. If you wanted to put a wheelchair up there, you could actually get 1 back here and 1 up front, so this van could hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time. The dash is in good shape. I don't see any cracks or holes in the dash. Got the auxiliary cord plug over there. Dual climate control. The driver could be 1 temperature, the passenger can be a 2nd temperature. It even has the rear air controls where the temperature in the back can be a third temperature of the people in back. So once you got everybody secure, come on back out, or you can actually come on back out. You hit the in button and you can see the ramp folds right up. Got to hold it. It's not touch the button, you have to hold it. And then we turn it off. Make sure we save that battery. Excuse me. Slide the door shut and you're ready to go. I'm going to throw the control inside here now, so I don't have to carry it around. The exterior of the van is a fairly clean van. Got tinted windows, keep you nice and cool in the summertime. Give you privacy year-round. It's got 16-inch alloy wheels. All the tires on this van are in very good shape. They're not brand new, but they're all good shape. Pretty clean van. Certainly no major body damage. Again, those tires are real good shape. Pop the trunk, got the view in the back here, got your spare tire, headliner, everything is in great shape. Got your single key. If you want to get additional keys made or try to get keyless entry, we can do that at your cost. Comes with the user's guide, got the owner's manual for the conversion. The interior is very clean. I'm a non-smoker, I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in here. The carpets are very clean. All the panels inside are very clean. We just had this van professionally detailed. I'll show you the VIN number right there just in case you need it for anything. Got a power driver seat. Works just fine. Small crack there in the plastic. Just a normal sign of wear and tear on a van that's a few years old, but overall, very nice van. When I go to fire the van up, fires up. First time every time. You can see all the dummy lights work. No airbag light, no check engine light, no dummy lights on. Current miles 144,890. And we've tested all the power windows. Made sure the power windows, power locks, air conditioning, heat, everything works on this van. See the power meter over there. It's not some van that you come and look at. It's got a bunch of issues we didn't tell you about. That is not how we do business. So let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.8 V6. It idles smoothly. We've checked the vehicle for any major leaks. Checked it for damage. We inspect these vans pretty thorough before we put them on the lot. Underneath the van, much of the same. A little bit of surface rust, but overall very clean. Very nice looking van. So we don't matter who you buy from. Make sure they get out here and make a video for you. You buy one of these vans that's all rusted out, you buy one that's from one of those guys in New Jersey, New York, Chicago, or anywhere, and it's all rusted out, and it won't pass inspection in your state. Folks, if it won't pass inspection in your state, you can't drive it. You've just now bought a van you cannot drive. Buy from a company with a good reputation like Affordable Mobility Solutions. We've been in business 8 years. Look us up. And I hope you see by our videos we're trying to be honest and fair as we possibly can. So let's get the van on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the last portion of the video, I always like to get the vans on a test drive. Get them up to highway speed so you can hear the engine run and the transmission shift. And you see that whether you come in drive this home, or whether we ship it out to you, we've got this vehicle roadworthy. Give it some acceleration, get up to about 70 miles an hour. Back it off, set the cruise about 65, cruise control works fine. You can see the steering wheel is nice and centered there. This van tracks very nicely down the highway. So as you're out there comparing, who you're going to buy a van from, ask the competition, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because here at Affordable Mobility Solutions, we do have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. If they don't, ask them why they don't. If you're buying from an individual, you don't know anything about these people, you don't know what you're buying, the van most likely hasn't been serviced, you're taking a big risk. They don't have a reputation to keep up. So buying from an affordable dealer with a good reputation is the best way to go. When you're talking to the competition, ask them if they have over 500 reviews on eBay, and all of them are positive. We have over 500 people said we did them right, 0 people said we did them wrong. Ask them if they have any hidden administrative fees, document fees, tag fees. I don't do business like that. I don't set a price and then try to slip money in on the back end. That's not how I do business. Do they get out and make a video? Whether you're buying from individual or business, do they show you exactly what you're getting so there's no surprises once you see the van? Because obviously we do. You're watching that video. I'm going to give the van a hard brake at the bottom of this exit here, so you can see that there's no brake noise, no grinding, no squeaking. So overall, it's a very good condition van. It's got a few miles on it. Been very well taken care of. And when you compare our price, our reputation, the fact that we get out and make videos, combined with we can help you with shipping on these, no one can compete, with the deal we're offering. Overall package. Very clean van. If you ever want to come out and look at one of our vehicles, I cannot stress this enough. Please always make an appointment. Sometimes I'm out doing things like this. I know your time is valuable. We don't want to miss you. So call me up. Say, hey, Jeremiah, I'm coming over at this time, and I want to look at your van. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. Look us up 24 hours a day on the internet, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. We do sell very affordable aftermarket warranties. We encourage all of our customers to buy an aftermarket warranty on a used vehicle. Folks, I'm selling these vans at $10,000, $12,000, $15,000 less than the competition. We're selling them wholesale. I cannot afford to be your warranty company. I am not your warranty company. Buy a warranty on a used vehicle. Sometimes stuff happens. So, with that being said, as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.